Hey everyone, what's up guys? You're welcome back to my channel and you're welcome back to today's video. Now in today's video I'm gonna be showing you a remedy that would actually help y'all to get rid of puffy eye and eye circle. Now do you know that this thing called puffy eye can actually age you up, make you look older, and you're gonna look older than your age, and we don't want that. We want to look younger, we want to look slim, we want to look popping, so you try this natural ingredient that I'm going to be showing you for your puffy eye and eye circle, and your problem will be gone. Okay, so if you're new here, you're welcome, and don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, and share the video. And let me take you right into the video. Alright guys, to get rid of puffy eye, get rid of dark circles, we're gonna be needing this, and this is turmeric. Turmeric is a great ingredient that helps to go deep into the skin and to remove any skin irritations. It helps so much in getting rid of puffy eye and as well as dark eye circles. Mixing it with other ingredients that I'm going to be showing you would make it really effective when it comes to getting rid of puffy eye. Okay, so what we're going to be doing now is that we're going to be taking just a little quantity of this turmeric, because we're not going to be needing too much of it though. So just a little quantity of it. This amount is okay. And then the very next thing we're going to be needing will be tomato. Tomato on the skin is a great ingredient that helps to cool the skin, and it also helps to tighten up pores. Now when it comes to tightening up pores, it would evenly help to reduce the puffiness of eye and make the eye circle fade up little by little. So what we're going to do is that we're going to be preparing the tomato. So we're going to be cutting the tomato in pieces. Just a little bit of water because we're actually using this on the eye area, so we need just the juice when it comes to this. Yeah, alright guys, so what we're going to do now is that the very next ingredient we're going to be needing will be this, and this is egg. Egg helps so much in tightening up the skin. It reduces the large pores and make the skin smooth. Okay, so when it comes to puffiness of eye, it will help so much in reducing the puffiness of eye. Yeah, so mixing it up with all of these ingredients will make this really effective. Alright, so I'm going to be bringing in the treatment, and I have a egg here, so I'm going to be putting in just the egg whites. The egg white is basically what we're needing for this particular ingredient. So after putting that together, I'll have to mix it a little more. Yeah, the treatment is actually becoming thick, although too thick for what I want, but I'm gonna be we're gonna fix that real soon. So the very next ingredient we're going to be making use of will be this, and this is cucumber. Now when it comes to the skin, cucumber juice is an amazing ingredient that helps so much in reducing the skin soreness, and it also helps for fine lines as well as we're going to be sieving it and getting just the juice, okay, because we're not going to be needing the chaff of this. The juice is basically what we're needing since we're using this for the eye area. So this is the juice that we got, and I'm going to be turning everything into the turmeric powder and then stir it just a little. Alright, so this is a cucumber juice. What I did is that I sliced it and then blended it, extracted the juice, okay. The camera didn't actually film that. It stopped along the way, but of course this is it. And then I extracted just the juice to make this treatment look a little watery since we're going to be using it at the eye area. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, I'm going to be turning all of the juice in here, and we're going to stir. Alright, so it is just like the way I would want it, okay. Alright guys, so what we're going to do now is that you have to use this treatment onto your eye area, not inside your eye guys, onto your eye area. How you're going to be using that, you're going to be using a cotton wool, and let me demonstrate to you on how you're going to be using this. So you're going to be using a cotton wool. You're going to take and divide your cotton wool into two, dip this into the water just like this. So you spread it out. Now you spread it out just like this. Then you close your eyes and use it to cover your eyes. Okay, sorry, I'm using my hand to show you guys. You use it to cover your eyes just like that. Now before you use this particular treatment, you have to refrigerate it so that it will be cold but not too cold, okay, so that you know your skin can take it. It just be a little cool so that your skin can actually take it. So after which you cover it onto your eye area just like that. So after which you've covered it, you have to leave it on for about 2 to 3 minutes, depending on how long you can stay. You can just go chill on your chair, raise your leg up, just keep your head up, and then you might decide to dab the water and place it on so that the coolness would continue. Now the coolness plus those ingredients are going to get into your skin at your under eye area. It is actually very, very mild enough to stay in there and not harm your skin. So what it's going to do is that it's going to reduce the soreness and the puffiness of eye, and it's equally going to help to lighten up that area. Okay, so what you do is that every morning or every evening you do this for about 3 to 5 minutes. You do it for at least 3 to 4 days and the soreness will go down. Now if you're consistent in doing this for at least 3 to 4 days every day, once in a day for 3 to 4 days, okay, the soreness, the puffiness of eye would go down. Remember to refrigerate this. Remember to refrigerate it, okay, so that it will do the job wonderfully well and make your puffiness of eye go down really, really well. So after which you're done staying and relaxing and chilling, you can just remove it Now after that, you just go take your bath and you continue with the rest of your day, but do not stress yourself too much, or go under directly under the sun and all of that. So that's it, guys. It is that simple. You just place it onto your eye, relax a whole lot, let the coolness get into your skin, let the ingredients get into your skin, and it will actually help to reduce the soreness, and it will help to reduce the darkness around there, and your dark circles and high bag will be gone, and you're gonna be looking so beautiful. So that's it, guys. If you do love this video, do not forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and share this video, and I will see you again in my next video. Bye, guys.